Hey everybody, this is Tazlon. Come join Jennifer and Itsy Bitsy and I as we go on a tour through bluebonnet country in northern Texas. The bluebonnet is the Texas state flower. It was voted that way back in 1901. And along with the bluebonnet, you're going to see a lot of Indian paintbrushes, a red, orange, and yellow flower that grows pretty much in the same place as bluebonnets do. So you'll see fields that are a mix of orange and purple, and they're quite pretty. We live in a town of about 110,000 called Mesquite, just east of Dallas, and for this trip we went about 30 miles south, just outside of Ennis, Texas. Ennis is the bluebonnet capital of northern Texas. The bloom this year was kind of disappointing. It's only about maybe a half to a third as much as it normally is. So a lot of these pictures, if you would either double or triple the amount of flowers you see, you'll get an idea of what a normal year is like. Great weather. It's about upper 80s, blue sky. Perfect for top-down driving. And you mix in the green of spring in Texas along with the wildflowers, and it was just a fantastic day. You'll notice a lot of 90 degree or nearly 90-degree turns out here, and that's because when you're out in the country and building a road, you don't cut through fields, you go around them. So you go to the edge of the field and you turn. Go to the edge of the end of the next field and turn the other way. It makes for great driving. On a normal year, that picture would have been almost no green in it. It would have been all orange and blue from the flowers. It's still pretty to look at even with this diminished bloom this year. We ended up seeing a lot of convertibles out, probably 6 or 7 of them overall, and all but one of them, a red Porsche, waved to us. You're about to see an old Corvette Camaro duo go by. Here they come now.
What was he?
Corvette.
We were on a road called Farm to Market Road 813 and also Texas 660. And those two roads form most of a loop called the Northern Bluebonnet Trail by Ennis. And they were going around the trail in the opposite way, so we ran into them 2 or 3 times, I think 3 times overall. Texas is a beautiful lush green in the springtime because it gets a lot of water. Both of these flowers have peak blooms between mid-March and late April. And you throw in the lush green and it's just a gorgeous drive. Now in a couple months, the heat begins to take its toll and a lot of this green you see is going to end up being brown.
There's the Corvette guy again.
Here comes our Corvette Camaro tandem, and they wave to us as they go by.
He's an older Corvette, isn't he? Another one.
And now a Mercedes comes by and waves.
There's a lot down there.
It's amazing. We've seen this many convertibles.
The bluebonnets especially have a very pungent odor. It's a sweet, pungent odor. We have a candle at home that has bluebonnet scent. It's a really nice odor.
They have a lot of flowers.
I know. They're almost more prevalent than bluebonnets.
This year they are. I think so.
And I said this area is the bluebonnet capital of northern Texas. The real bluebonnet capital in all of Texas is down in hill country outside of Marble Falls. Next weekend we're looking at taking our kids in the family van and going down there and seeing what the bloom is like down there. And you can see right here how far to the side, it's like beyond the reach of the GoPro to see how far back these flowers extend by the road. They line the roads by design. Here's a set of 4 bikes that were touring the flowers. They waved to us.
Now we're looking for Sugar Ridge Road.
Texas Department of Transportation seeds the highways with wildflowers, but they also extend way back over whole fields. They aren't just right by the highway.
Why is he walking in the middle of the road?
Yeah, this dude was walking right down the yellow lines in the middle of the road. But he moved over as we approached, and he waved to us too.
We gotta turn up here.
Huh?
This is Sugar Ridge Road. This is the road with that really nice house.
Sugar Ridge Road is normally a great place to see bluebonnets. There weren't anywhere near as many as normal this year.
This and the
About
past
halfway
have
down
all
the road
bluebonnets. You
is a
know,
winery appropriately called Sugar Ridge Winery. It was open, but we didn't stop because of the virus. There was a red Porsche. He was the one convertible we saw that did not wave to
We've
us.
seen more convertibles today in probably the last 4 months, you know.
I know.
Stop and get her a picture.
This lady was trying to take a selfie of her dog and her, so we offered to help, but she turned us down.
Would you like somebody to help you take your picture? Are you
Okay.
sure?
Okay. He agrees.
Hi.
He likes our car.
Whatever.
And so there you have it, the Fiat 124 Spider. Retriever approved. By the way, that song you hear right now is a Hawaiian song from a band on Oahu that we picked up their DVD when we were on our honeymoon. Hope you enjoyed the tour.